Hi guys, GB here and welcome to BudgetTECHph, and today I have the Realme 3 with me. I know it's kind of late, it's been out of the market for almost 3 months now or 2 months now. And ang tagal na nga nito sa akin guys, mga isang buwan na to, hindi ko lang nagagalaw. But sabi nga nila guys, it's better late than never. And besides, I really want to review this since I've heard a lot of good things about this. And na-review ko rin naman yung Realme C1 and I want to see if there's actually improvements sa mga models or sa previous models ng Realme. And besides, gagawa pa ako ng speed test, battery test, at gaming test for this one. So, watch out for it, guys. So, huwag na natin itong patagalin and let's all take a closer look at the Realme 3. Okay, guys. Ang una natin makikita ay isang box na kasama yung free jelly case, which is nagiging standard na siya lately. Kahit yung mga high-end phones, mga premium phones, may kasama na siyang case or jelly case or plastic case. And nandito rin ang warranty card at quick start guide, yung SIM tray ejector, and then yung phone mismo. So, right here. So, lagay muna natin siya dito. And we have the micro USB cable and the charger right here. Okay, wala siyang headset, guys. Okay, I have the phone with me. I have the Radiant Blue. And I'm not sure kung kita nyo, pero ang ganda ng pagka-blue niya. Yun nga lang, fingerprint magnet siya. Madali siya malagyan ng fingerprint. Like there. Pero maganda siya guys. Maganda yung pagka-blue niya. Hindi siya mukhang plastic. Okay guys, I'm not sure kung mabigat siya pero solid siya sa kamay, which is gusto ko. Gusto ko yung weight niya. And let me just give you a quick tour muna sa phone. Right here we have our speaker grill, micro USB port, our earphone jack, and dito sa left side, nandito yung ating volume rocker and SIM tray. At dito naman sa kabila, we have our power button. Dito sa ating selfie camera is right here. Dito sa notch, which is yung dewdrop. Just actually, mas gusto ko kasi mas simple. And sa likod, we have our dual camera setup at yung flash. And right here is yung fingerprint scanner. And speaking of fingerprint scanner, for our security, we have our facial unlock and fingerprint scanner. And I know guys, sa fingerprint scanner, pare-parehas ng implementation. Pero napansin ko lang talaga dito, medyo mabilis talaga ang response time nitong pagdating sa fingerprint scanner. Let me just show you. So, as you can see guys, talagang mabilis or at responsive talaga yung fingerprint scanner niya. So, before we proceed and talk about the camera and before ko rin pakita sa inyo yung mga sample pictures and videos, ito muna, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung technical specs ng Realme 3. This one is powered by MediaTek Helio P6T with 2.0 GHz octa-core CPU with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. This one has a 32 GB of internal storage and 3 GB of RAM. For the display, we have a 6.22-inch HD Plus display. For the OS, this one is running ColorOS 6 on top of Android 9 Pie. And lastly, this one has a 4,230 mAh battery. And for the camera, we have a 13 megapixel selfie camera or front camera. And at the back, we have a 13 megapixel with 1.8 aperture plus 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. And now, pakita ko muna sa inyo guys yung camera app, which is interesting. Okay, aside from the usual photo and video mode, portrait, meron din siyang time-lapse, slow-mo, expert, and ito yung pinakagusto ko yung nightscape, which is yung night mode sa iba. Which I'll test it later and tingnan natin kung okay ba yung night mode nila. And right now, here are some sample pictures and videos from the Realme 3. Okay, just to summarize, design-wise, I don't think this one will stand out since halos kaparehas niya o ka-design niya lahat ng 2019 smartphones. From budget to mid-range phone, halos ganito na yung mga design eh. So, pare-parehas na talaga. But for the price of 6,990 with the decent specs, fast fingerprint scanner, good camera, at yung pinakagusto ko yung UI niya na malinis and may pagkahawig siya sa stack Android and sama mo pa yung 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, I think yung 6,990 sulit na rin talaga siya. And before we end guys, I just want to remind you that gagawa pa ako ng separate video for gaming and speed and battery test for this one. So guys, that's it. I think that's it for our unboxing and quick review of the Realme 3. So once again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up and don't forget that notification bell for future updates and videos. So guys, thank you and I'll see you next time.